Have you ever looked at your paycheck on Friday and wondered where it all went by Monday? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Millions of hardworking Americans are earning more than they did just a few years ago. Yet somehow, they are still living paycheck to paycheck. So what changed it? Is it inflation? Is it debt? Are salaries simply not keeping up anymore? Or is there something much bigger happening behind the scenes? In this video, I am going to break down the real reasons why so many Americans are struggling financially in 2026. We will look at what actually happening with the cost of living, why even six-figure earners are feeling the pressure, the financial habits that quietly drain your income, and most importantly, what you can do to take back control of your money. If you have ever felt like you are working harder but getting nowhere financially, this video is for you. Let's get started. When people hear the phrase living paycheck to paycheck, they often assume it only appealed to low income families. But that's no longer true. Today, many middle class households and even people earning over $10,000 a year say they are struggling to make it from one payday to the next. That might sound surprising, but when you look at the numbers, it starts to make sense. The cost of everyday life has changed dramatically over the last few years. Housing costs have increased in many cities. Insurance premiums have gone up. Utility
Insurance,
bills remain expensive.
insurities,
Grocery cost more than
groceries,
they used to. Even simple things like eating out or filling up your gas take noticeably more expensive than they did before. Now imagine all of those higher expenses hitting at the same time while your paycheck does not grow at the same pace. That's where the problem begins. One of the biggest reasons Americans are struggling is lifestyle inflation. Here's the what happens. Someone gets a rise at work. Instead of using that extra income to build saving or pay off debt, they upgrade their lifestyle. They move into more expensive apartment. They finance a new car. They subscribe to more streaming services that eat out or more often. Little by little, every dollar of that raise disappears. Before long, they are earning more than ever, but they still have nothing left at the end of the month. This is not because they are irresponsible. It's because lifestyle inflation happens quickly. Most people don't even realize it happening until an unexpected expenses shows up, and that's where the real dangers being. Imagine your car suddenly need $500 repair, or your repeat need emergency surgery, or your air conditioner break in the middle of the summer. If you don't have an emergency fund, that expense usually goes straight into the credit card. That's bring us to another major reason so American are living paycheck to paycheck in 2026 debit. Credit card makes spending invisibly easy. You don't feel the pain immediately because you are borrowing from your future income. The problem is that high interest rates can turn a small balance into a much bigger one over time. Eventually, part of every paycheck goes toward paying for purchases you made months or even a year ago. Instead of your income building wealth, it's paying interests. That's a cycle that's a very difficult state. Now, let's talk about something people don't discuss enough. Finance. Financial stress is not always caused by income. Sometimes it's caused by uncertainty. Many workers worry about layoffs, economic slowdowns, artificial intelligence changes jobs, or rises healthcare costs. Because of that uncertainty, people often daily investing, avoid long-term planning, or make emotion financial decisions. Fear can be just and is expensive as bad budgeting. Here's another issue that's quietly hurting millions of household: monthly subscriptions. Think about how many recurring payments most people have today: streaming platforms, music pipes, cloud storage, fitness membership, software subscriptions, food delivery membership, phone upgrades. Most of those don't seem expensive individually, but together they can quickly consume hundreds of dollars every month. The biggest change is not one largest expense. It's dozens of small one that nobody notices. That's why reviewing your monthly bank statement can be one of the most powerful financial habits you develop. You might be surprised by the how much money is leaving your account automatically. Now let me say something important. Living paycheck to paycheck does not automatically mean someone is bad with money. Many Americans are doing everything right. They are working full time, paying their bills, taking care of their families to save. But when housing, healthcare, education, insurance, childcare, and groceries are become more expensive at the same time, even responsible people feel squeezed. That's why this conversation is not about blaming people. It's about understanding the financial environment we are living in. So what can you actually do? First, now exactly where every dollar goes, not approximately. Exactly. Track your spending for just 1 month. Most people discover expenses they completely forget about. Second word, a small emergency fund. It does not have to be hawk. Even setting 1 month's expenses can reduce financial stress significantly. Third, pay down high interest debit as aggressively as possible. Every dollar of interest you illuminate is money that stay in your pocket instead of someone else. Fourth, avoid increasing your lifestyle every time your income increases. When you get a rise, trying saving or investing part of it before adjusting your spending. Your future self will thank you. 15, invest in skill that increase your earning patient potential. Technology continues to change the job market. Learning new skill, improving your expertise, or finding additional source of income can provide more financial security than simply hoping price come down. Here's something I want you to remember. Financial freedom does not happen because someone earn the biggest paycheck. It happens because someone consistently spends less than they earn, avoids an unnecessary debt building, saving, and gives their money time to grow. That's not its existing, it's not arrival, it's not viral, but it's show real wealth is built. The truth is nobody become financially secure overnight. It's usually the result of hundreds of smart decisions repeated over many years. One less unnecessary purchases, one extra payment toward debit, one more contribution to saving, one better financial habit. Those small decisions eventually become life changes changing results. If you are living paycheck to paycheck today, don't think of it as a permanent identity. Think of it as a financial season. Season change with better habits, smarter planning, and consistent action. Your financial future can change too. Money should give you choice, not consistent stress. It should help you build freedom, not fear. That's why understanding your finances is one of the most valuable investments you will ever make. If this video helped You see your finances from a different perspective. I did love to hear your thoughts. What do you think is the biggest reasons Americans are living paycheck to paycheck today? Share your perspective in the comments because your expenses might help someone else. And if you enjoy practical, easy to understanding video about personal finance, investing, saving money, and building long-term wealth, make sure you subscribe to Arsam Explains Money so you don't miss the next video. Thank for watching, and I will see you in the next video.